You have a, you really want to work more with like an inch and a half to 2 inches. Plenty of excess so that if it does start to spread or do any of those things, it's not going to allow the filling to.
What?
Another way that this can
To my way to so I'm at this boy at school.
You want to sit up here, sir?
No.
I'm ready.
That number 50, yeah.
And
What grade is he?
first one.
Is this like watching a movie or something? Because you're giving me bits by bit. Usually when the movie takes too long, I get up and leave and stuff. So you need to say what you're going to say so you hear my comment about it. I can't make any comment if you don't see it.
Crying? What happened?
When did you get time to get pregnant? Huh?
That day when you're gone.
Boy over here at this house. And how do you know you're pregnant?
You took a pregnancy test.
You keep it?
No, I guess at school.
Ah. I don't get in my spirit that you're telling me the truth. I'm listening to the Spirit of God. If this is some kind of foolish joke or something, it ain't funny to me. If y'all just trying to get a reaction or a rise out of me, y'all should find something else to do with your time besides play jokes. I don't sense anything. Give me the boy's phone number.
No, I don't have his phone number.
Oh, that's convenient. What's his name?
What do you want to know?
What is his name?
Are you going to call the school?
If you don't give me his name, you call somebody. Taking too long down there.
Give me
Who?
What?
I know that there's an attack and that the devil will come in any way he can. So if you allow for a person to come into this house, which was rebellion and being sneaky and this is totally out of order. So if that's the truth, then you lost my trust. If this is a joke, I don't find it funny. If it's some kind of prank, I don't find it funny because these are serious matters. It's lives and it's life involved with this. Okay, and if you couldn't hold on, I mean, as a freshman, if you couldn't hold on until you graduated and do your career because of your. This is being filmed, and I don't like it. I see the camera on, I see the light on in the town, and y'all need to stop this foolishness because I don't like it. I told you before. So stop wasting my time with this bologna sandwich jokes that y'all do. You understand me?
The camera.
I mean, it's noticeable.
But I covered it.
I mean, you got a towel up there that doesn't belong there.
Oh my gosh, Dan, you're so horrible.
And I didn't believe it in the first place.
You didn't believe it?
I wasn't getting in my spirit that was going on.
Oh,
Do you think it's a plaything? I checked my spirit. My spirit wasn't excited. It wasn't uncomfortable. It was saying that's not the truth. I'm being set up. This is a prank. So I tried to give you guys the benefit of the doubt. You wasn't answering the right questions. And then you laughed when I asked you what the person's name was. And if you're going to act out something, you have to be in character. You have to stay in character.
When you said
And then when your mom's not trying to look at me in my eyes, you know, she's playing the avoidance game. Before then, I just checked my spirit. It wasn't going on.
I couldn't think of a name.
Yeah, you can tell.
Really react if it was true.
I don't know. I'd be sad. If it was really true, I'd be sad. You know, like I mentioned towards the end of it, before I decided just to look around in my surroundings, it doesn't affect the guy's life so much in him going to fulfill his dreams or whatever, but it does affect the girl because first of all, she has to go through the thing of 9 month the 9 month thing. She has to go through the gestation thing, which could be throwing up and stuff like that. You know, she's only 14, so that's kind of young to me for somebody to be getting pregnant. You know, that's not, everything is not mature. Okay, so it's risky for her life. It's risky. It's a slap in the face to what we teach here in this household, you know. And then it's a trust issue that was blown. So yeah, I'd be crying. I'd be really sad. I wouldn't love her. I would not love her, you know. I had to deal with that part of it. But I would be very disappointed. Just be disappointed and sad. Because she didn't so much ruin her life, but what she did was make it slow down to 1 mile an hour. Because she's going to have to deal with the fact that she has a child, this and that. I don't know if the guy is going to, what kind of person this is, if he's going to be true, or he was just trying to hit it and miss it, or say that he done something, you know.
I would never have sex.
Why?
That's for grown people. And sex before
Married people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shed tears on your dry eyes, so.
Be an actress.
I expect you to cry. That was so evil.
Well, guess what? Daddy shed the tear because something sad. Start crying.
I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that. I'm not even good at prank. Oh my gosh. But I think Daniel did well, but that's so evil. I wasn't expecting you to cry though. I was surprised. I was looking at her like, seriously?
I normally check my spirit about stuff, and at least I'm trying to check my spirit every time. I was just telling a friend earlier today that you can't deal with kids on a natural level anymore. You have to really be led by the Spirit of God, and that's exactly what I was doing.
You have the Spirit of God.
But you lost already because now you let me know that you're gonna try to come up with it.
But it could be like next year. You won't know.
So you'd be surprised.
It could be right now.
You'd be surprised. It's not a prank. That's an assault. That's an assault.